great. Yay. My friend loaded the bacon for me. Thanks. Good guy. Good guy. In your dirty little face. Back to firing. You made me jam my gun. Not cool, man. Need to cock it, and this is just like a real nightmare. Hey, where did he go? Where did that guy go? Oh, click on this. Yeah, I got him. Can't believe I lost him. I better call him. Better call my friend. He'll trick him. Yeah. Trick him. Yeah. Of course it'll be insane or 4-4. Yes. I'll get it. Yeah. I'm dying. That's what's happening. Goodbye. Hello, Epic Edit 97 here. And, well, you're just watching Senior 4th. I know, didn't have any music. Sorry, and you're probably wondering why I made it so short. Well, I'm not allowed to make any videos for the rest of the day, because I made too many, my mom says. I don't think so. And, so, yeah, I have to, so, yeah, I'm just loading up my phone right now, but, I did that because I accidentally said Insane 4-4, when I meant to be Insane 4-3. I'm gonna be making Insane 4-5 tomorrow with my friend. Yeah. So sorry about that. But I'll be like, oh, my Insane Force. And comment which is your favorite Nerf, Insane Nerf, to my channel, okay? Do that to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and stuff. And new ones will keep coming out, so you can change your mind. I don't really care. So yeah, bye.